Good day to all the learners viewers out there, and in this video we'll discuss in detail different sorting options and what is quick sort and what are the custom sorting options available within Microsoft Excel. So we have this sample data over here on our screen which contains an employee ID, first name of the employee, followed by the last name and the department. Then we have designation and region listed down in the last two columns. Now, in order to use different sorting options, we can either go to this home ribbon and use sorting options from here, or the other and the quick option is go to this ribbon which is data, and you will find a complete group of such commands, like a complete group or a complete set of sort and filter. So first we'll try to use the quick sort options, which these two options, and then we'll explain how this custom sort actually works. So sorting is basically to put your data in a sequence which is specified by different conditions. So when we'll use this quick sort option, we can only sort our table based on one single row or one single column. So what I'll do is I'll sort my data or my table in accordance with column B, and let's do it first with from lowest to highest, or we'll do it in ascending order, which is A to Z. So I'll click here, see what happens. Names with letters starting from A will appear on top, and it will go down in ascending order till Z. The last name that we have is Vijay Kumar, because after this we do not have any letter within alphabets. Now we'll do the same exercise by using descending order. Please note this portion of the screen, and I'll sort it from Z to A. Now Vijay Kumar is on top of the list, and now you'll see Ali on the bottom. Please note that within sorting you will always have complete set of data visible on your screen. So sorting will not let you filter out results which are actually not required, and this is not the purpose of sorting as well. So this is how we use quick sorting. You can use this quick sorting based on numbers as well, like from highest to lowest or lowest to highest. So let's do it and use it on employee ID. I'll use it from A to Z. So the first employee ID, that is O001, is on top, and the last employee ID, which is O041, is on the bottom. I'll just revert the order, and according to me, now the first employee ID, when I'll click on the Z to A, should be O041. So let's try it out. Perfect. So see, it works when you're using quick filter. Now let's try out custom sorting. So when I'll open this custom sorting window, you can see a new window will pop up, and some major functions which you need to know within this window are, you can see that on the right top of this screen you have my data has headers. So when you check this button, it will make sure that the first row within your table, which is called as header or heading as well, will not be considered when sorting different options or different columns. But if you'll uncheck this, the first row of your data will also be used within sorting process. Let's try it out and see how it works. I'll use this and see. Now the first row disappears, and the sorting, because of the sorting, it is on the last level. I'll just undo this option, and I'll click here again on the custom sorting. So make sure that you have checked this option when you're using in such scenario. Now, the most important factor within this window is that you can sort your table or sort your data based on multiple columns or multiple rows. So in the first sorting condition that I have applied here is employee ID, and it will sort on cell values. Other than the cell values, you have cell color, font color, and conditional formatting icons. So these are the 4 different options, sorting options actually, which are available. Now, lastly, you need to identify the order. Either you can use A to Z, Z to A, or you can also generate a custom list within your table. So I'll use A to Z. I'll click here OK, and before clicking OK, I'll add another level and I'll say that first sort by employee ID, then by the designation, and within designation I would like to sort on cell values based on the order Z to A. I'll click OK, see what happens. Now my employee IDs are listed within A to Z and my designation is listed from Z to A. So this is how you use custom sorting. You can use it with variety of flavors and specific requirements based on how you would like to use it and what are the conditions that are actually required within your table. So in case you think that you have added an incorrect level within your sorting, you can always go and use this delete level option. And in case you would like to use the same conditions again, you can copy level and see the same conditions are available. Now you can only change the cell color, the font color, or the conditional formatting icon, and your sorting options will work. There are some other options. You can use it if you would like for example case sensitive. We normally don't recommend this feature, but if it is required you can always use it. So this is how you use the different sorting functions, the quick sort and the custom sort. When you're playing with data, make sure that you have understood the sorting options, because when you have large amount of data and you are dealing with lots of data within tabular form, you'll definitely would like to know how sorting works. So make sure that you practice these options and do provide us feedback. And please go to our YouTube channel, which is Learner Deck, and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this.